Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Cooking Goth. And tonight I'm going to teach you guys how to make everyone's, apparently, favorite struggle meal. Fried bologna. Fried Bologna. Fried chicken and pork and beef meat product. For this recipe you will need bologna. I don't think it needs to be hearty, thick cut. That's just kind of got. Olive oil. It should just be able to be virgin olive oil, but I got extra virgin olive oil. And a pan to fry it in. First, warm up your frying pan and then drizzle in some of that oil and swish it around to coat the pan. Secondly, cut some big old X's in the middle of that bologna. And then you could fry it up to your desired brownness, and then you're ready to eat that meat. Alrighty, now for the taste test. And also, guys, I've never had fried bologna before in my life. This is what it looks like. This is not bad at all. I've also seen online that people also put this on a sandwich. This isn't bad. I hear a lot of people dog regular bologna, like, you know, cold bologna, whatever. But I never hear anything bad about fried bologna. I've been missing out. You know, I also grew up kind of, I don't want to say poor. I've always had a roof over my head. But, like, I grew up with, like, not a lot of money, you know. And this is normally something that, you know, people who struggle to get by on, I guess, eat. And I've never had it. I got this one a little dark. Got that a little dark too. But hey, I like my meat a little bit dark. I can see myself making some sandwiches with this. Or a salad. I really do need a salad. I think I'm going to get off here and enjoy my nice little bit of bologna. That's all I've got for you guys tonight. Do as I always say and just have fun with it. If you're going to try things for the first time, just have fun with it. If you're going to be a gardener, just have fun with it. If you're going to be an astronaut, just have fun with it. Also, guys, if you like this video, despite all the squeaking, the leather, you know, or the pleather, if you wouldn't mind hitting that subscribe button, then hitting the little bell for the notifications, so that way whenever I post a brand new video, you'll know that the Cooking Goth has posted a brand new video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and a share and a comment for the algorithm, please. Have a great night, everyone.